In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bevels and extrusions in Blendr. If your mesh has puffed out edges or strange lumps from accidental edits, don't worry. There are a few reliable tools in edit mode that can bring your model back under control quickly and cleanly. First, make sure you're working on the right thing. Click your model in the 3D viewport to select it. Take a second to confirm it's the correct object so you don't end up editing something you didn't mean to. Now switch into edit mode by pressing tab. You'll see the mesh highlight with vertices, edges, and faces available to edit. To apply fixes across the entire surface, press A to select everything. This ensures any corrections affect the whole mesh consistently instead of leaving stray areas behind. Let's start by reducing that bevel or inflated look. Press Alt plus S to activate the Shrink Fatten tool. Gently move your mouse inward to pull the geometry back toward its original shape. You'll notice the edges deflate and smooth out as the vertices slide along their normals. When it looks right, click to confirm. If it goes the wrong way at first, just move your mouse in the opposite direction until the bevel influence retreats. If you're dealing with accidental extrusions, especially those created by tapping extrude and then right-clicking, you may have duplicate or overlapping vertices sitting right on top of each other. With everything still selected, press M and choose by distance. This merges vertices that occupy the same space and clears out leftover geometry that can cause shading artifacts, bumps, or odd edges. It's a simple way to tidy up after an unintended move. And here's the fastest fix of all. If the bevel or extrusion just happened a moment ago, press Ctrl plus Z to undo it. This is the cleanest and most precise way to roll back a recent operation without any guesswork. To recap the keys you'll use most, Alt plus S is your go-to for reducing bevel effects and shape inflation. M, then by distance, removes duplicate vertices created by accidental extrusions, and Ctrl plus Z instantly undoes a recent bevel or extrusion if you catch it in time. That's all you need to clean up unwanted bevels and extrusions in Blendr. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical Blendr tips. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.